Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to explore the essential resources and tools that can help you achieve your goal of financial freedom. This discussion is inspired by the guide, Personal Finance for Beginners, which provides straightforward strategies for budgeting, investing, and building wealth. Resources and tools. Recommended books, podcasts, and websites. Budgeting and investing apps. Where to find professional advice. Before I explain each section, I would like to ask you to like, comment, share, and activate the notification bell so you won't miss any upcoming videos. These videos are designed to help you achieve your personal financial goals, build wealth, and lead a fulfilling life. Now, let's dive in. Resources and tools. Curate a list of books, podcasts, and websites that offer practical advice for beginners. Compare budgeting and investing apps for ease of use and effectiveness. Know when to seek professional advice. Sometimes, an expert can help you avoid costly mistakes and accelerate your journey. Recommended books, podcasts, and websites. When it comes to achieving financial freedom, having the right resources and tools at your disposal can make all the difference. Here are some recommended books, podcasts, and websites that can help you deepen your understanding of personal finance and stay motivated on your journey. To start, books are an excellent way to build a solid foundation of financial knowledge. One standout is The Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey. This book offers a clear, step-by-step approach to managing your finances, emphasizing the importance of budgeting, saving, and eliminating debt. It's full of practical advice and real-life success stories that can inspire you to act. Another fantastic resource is Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. These classic contrasts two different approaches to money and investing, encouraging readers to think differently about wealth building and financial independence. Transitioning to podcasts, there is a wealth of content available to listen to while you're on the go. The Dave Ramsey Show provides practical tips for gaining control over your money, with real callers sharing their financial challenges and triumphs. It's both educational and motivational. Similarly, Choose FI is a great choice for those interested in financial independence. The hosts explore various strategies for achieving financial freedom, interviewing experts who share insights on topics like minimalism, investing, and smart financial decisions that align with your goals. Additionally, having access to reliable websites can be incredibly beneficial. NerdWallet is a go-to resource for comparing financial products like credit cards, loans, and insurance, helping you make informed choices. Their blog is filled with articles on budgeting, saving strategies, and investing tips, making it a comprehensive resource for financial beginners and seasoned investors alike. Another excellent site is The Balance, which offers practical guides and personal finance advice tailored to a wide audience. From understanding credit scores to retirement planning, it covers nearly every aspect of personal finance you might need. In conclusion, utilizing a variety of resources, books, podcasts, and websites can greatly enhance your journey toward financial freedom. By immersing yourself in insightful materials like The Total Money Makeover and engaging with dynamic podcasts such as Choose FI, you will not only educate yourself but also stay motivated. Moreover, leveraging valuable websites like NerdWallet and The Balance will equip you with the tools necessary to make informed financial decisions. With these resources in hand, you'll be well on your way to achieving your financial goals. Budgeting and investing apps. In today's digital age, leveraging technology through budgeting and investing apps can significantly enhance your financial management. The right tools not only simplify the process of tracking your spending but also empower you to make informed investment decisions. Here are some highly recommended apps to help you along your journey to financial freedom. To begin, budgeting apps are essential for managing your monthly expenses and ensuring that you stay on track with your financial goals. One of the most popular options is You Need a Budget, Inab. Inab encourages users to assign every dollar a job, helping you plan your spending rather than just tracking it. With features like goal setting and real-time budget updates, it fosters a proactive approach to your finances. Another fantastic option is Mint, which offers a user-friendly interface to track your spending, create budgets, and even monitor your credit score. It consolidates all your financial accounts in one place, making it easier to see where your money is going and where you can cut back. Transitioning to investing apps, several options can help you grow your wealth with relative ease. Robinhood has become a favorite among new investors due to its commission-free trading model and intuitive platform. Whether you want to trade stocks, ETFs, or cryptocurrencies, Robinhood makes investing accessible and straightforward. Similarly, Acorns takes a unique approach by rounding up your purchases and investing the spare change into diversified portfolios. This set it and forget it style of investing encourages beginners to start saving without needing extensive knowledge or large sums of money. Moreover, there's Betterment, an excellent choice for those interested in robo-advisors. Betterment helps you create a customized investment plan based on your goals and risk tolerance, automatically rebalancing your portfolio as needed. This hands-off approach is perfect for individuals who want to invest but prefer not to manage their portfolios actively. In conclusion, using budgeting and investing apps can greatly enhance your financial management and investment journey. With tools like Inab and Mint, you'll gain better control over your spending and budgeting practices, while platforms like Robinhood and Acorns provide opportunities to grow your investments with ease. By integrating these apps into your financial routine, you'll not only simplify your money management strategies but also empower yourself to make wise financial decisions that lead to lasting wealth building. Embracing these technological resources can set you on the right path toward achieving your financial goals. Where to find professional advice? Navigating the complex world of personal finance can sometimes feel daunting, which is why seeking professional advice is often a wise decision. Fortunately, there are various avenues to explore when looking for expert guidance that aligns with your financial goals and needs. To start, financial advisors are a popular choice for personalized assistance. These professionals can offer tailored advice based on your specific circumstances, whether you're aiming to pay off debt, save for retirement, or invest wisely. When selecting a financial advisor, it's essential to consider their credentials. Look for certified financial planners, CFP, who have met rigorous educational and ethical standards. Websites like the National Association of Personal Financial Advisors, NAPFA, can help you locate fee-only advisors, ensuring you receive unbiased advice without conflicts of interest. Additionally, online platforms like Facet Wealth and Betterment can provide access to certified financial planners more affordably. These services often offer virtual consultations and financial planning tailored to your unique situation, making professional advice more accessible than ever. For instance, Facet Wealth connects clients with advisors based on their financial needs, whether it's retirement planning or tax strategies, giving you the reassurance of expert guidance at your fingertips. Moreover, consider attending financial workshops or seminars offered by local community organizations or educational institutions. Many nonprofit organizations, such as the National Endowment for Financial Education, NEF, provide free resources and workshops to help individuals understand personal finance basics. These events not only offer valuable information but also facilitate networking with like-minded individuals who share similar financial interests. Another valuable resource can be online forums and social media groups. Websites like bogleheads.org provide a community where individuals can exchange ideas and seek advice on investing and financial planning strategies. Additionally, platforms like Reddit have various subreddits related to personal finance, like Personal Finance, where you can ask questions and gain insights from a diverse range of perspectives. While these sources can offer great advice, it's important to vet the recommendations and consider consulting with a professional for complex issues. In conclusion, when seeking professional advice, there are numerous resources available to help you make informed financial decisions. Whether you choose to work with a certified financial advisor, utilize online platforms, attend workshops, or engage with online communities, the key is to ensure that the advice you receive aligns with your personal goals and circumstances. By tapping into these resources, you will be better equipped to navigate your financial journey confidently and effectively. Please take a moment to check out these guides by the same author, Zabi Aslamzada, available on Amazon. Personal Finance for Beginners, an essential roadmap to financial freedom, offering straightforward strategies for budgeting, investing, and building wealth. 10 powerful yoga styles to enhance health, boost vitality, and support longevity. Transform your life, the ultimate meditation journey to inner peace and empowerment. The Path to Wellness, Yoga and Meditation as Foundations for Health and Longevity. These guides are designed to provide valuable insights and practical tools to help you achieve health, wealth, and happiness. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Share this video with friends and family. See you in the next episode.